Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are drawing a super bright and happy New Year picture. So grab your markers and let us draw together. First, we start with the balloons. From the left to the right, we draw 5 balloons one by one. Nice round shapes, a little shine, a little wobble, just like real balloons trying their best not to fly away. After drawing all 5 balloons, we write one letter inside each balloon to spell the word happy. Keep the letters bold and fun because, balloons love attention. Now we move down to the big words New Year. We begin by drawing the letter N. Make it big and friendly. Then draw the letter E next to it. And then the letter W, strong and bold. Below that, we draw the long letter Y. Then the letter E. Then A, and finally R. Take your time and enjoy the flow, because these letters want to shine on New Year's night. Next, on the left side, we draw firework lines bursting outward. Add some curved strokes, some dots, and a small star to make it lively. After finishing the left side, we go to the right side and do the same thing. More firework lines bursting out and another small star. The more energy, the better. It is New Year after all. Now, we outline all the shapes of the New Year letters with thicker lines to make them stand out even more. Thick outlines make everything look confident and fabulous. Next comes the coloring part. We colored the word new in bright red. Then we add soft pink highlights on the edges of the letters to make them look juicy and shiny. After that, we colored the long Y in yellow. Then we color the E in the A in a warm tone, and the R in a fun, bright color that pops. we colored the word happy in yellow. Then we colored the balloons one by one from left to right. Remember to add highlights on each balloon using a lighter shade so they look glossy and full of joy. After that, we colored the fireworks using a mix of yellow and orange. Let them glow as if they are lighting up the sky. Now, while we finish the colors, let us talk about some fun facts about how different countries celebrate New Year's Eve. These traditions are sometimes funny, sometimes surprising, and always full of energy. In Spain, people eat 12 grapes at midnight. 1 grape for each clock strike. If you can finish all 12 without choking or laughing too hard, it is believed you will have good luck for the whole year. In the Philippines, many families wear polka dots because round shapes are believed to bring prosperity. They even fill their tables with round fruits to attract more luck. In Brazil, people often wear white on New Year's Eve to represent peace and renewal. Some even jump over 7 waves for good fortune. In Scotland, they celebrate Hogmanay, where the first person to enter your home after midnight, known as the first footer, should bring gifts like coal or bread to ensure warmth and food in the coming year. In Japan, many families ring a temple bell 108 times. It is believed that this helps remove negative emotions and brings a clear and fresh start for the new year. In Greece, people hang an onion on their door as a symbol of rebirth. And on New Year's Day, children are tapped on the head with the onion to bring growth and good luck. And now our drawing is complete. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed drawing with me, do not forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun.